The VinFast factory in Hai Phong, Vietnam, stands as a testament to rapid industrial advancement and innovation in the automotive sector. Established by Vingroup, Vietnam's largest private conglomerate, VinFast has swiftly positioned itself as a formidable player in the global electric vehicle (EV) market. Strategic location and rapid development. Situated on Cat Hai Island near Hai Phong City, the VinFast manufacturing complex spans approximately 828 acres, 3,350,000 square meters. Construction commenced in September 2017, and remarkably, the facility was operational within 21 months, a feat that underscores the company's commitment to swift execution and efficiency. State-of-the-art manufacturing capabilities. The Hai Phong facility is designed with cutting-edge technology and automation. It boasts a high degree of automation, with up to 90% of processes automated, enhancing precision and productivity. The factory encompasses various specialized zones, including a press shop, body shop, paint shop, assembly shop, and a dedicated area for electric motorbike production. Advanced robotics and production efficiency. Inside the factory, a network of robotic arms and automated systems orchestrates the assembly of vehicles with remarkable precision. The facility is capable of producing multiple vehicle models simultaneously on the same assembly line, showcasing its flexibility and advanced manufacturing prowess. Time commitment to sustainability and innovation. VinFast's Hai Phong plant is not only a hub for automotive manufacturing, but also a center for sustainable innovation. The company has invested in building its own lithium-ion battery production facility, aiming to enhance the efficiency and sustainability of its EVs. Clean Technica, global ambitions, and future expansion. With a vision to become a global leader in the EV market, VinFast has announced plans to expand its manufacturing footprint internationally. The company is constructing a new plant in the same complex as its existing battery facility in Vietnam and has plans for assembly plants in Indonesia and India. Reuters' VinFast's Hai Phong factory exemplifies Vietnam's rapid industrial growth and the country's emergence as a significant player in the global automotive industry. Through strategic investments in technology, automation, and sustainable practices, VinFast is poised to make a lasting impact on the future of electric mobility.